In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on this Ford Excursion. Both left and right blades are 20 inches in size, so let's get started. Lift up the wiper arm in the full upright position. Now with it here, depending on your existing wiper blade, you may have a cap, you may not have one, you may have tabs on the side. That really depends. For me, I just have a little cap here that I can remove, and that unlocks the wiper blade. Now I'm going to pull straight down on it and remove the blade from the arm. At this point, you do not want to let this down. If it smacks the windshield, it will break it. Take your wiper blade, slide it onto the wiper arm, pull it up until it clicks. The wiper blades will have this protective piece on them that you have to remove so that the blade, the rubber blade itself, can touch the glass, not the plastic protector. Now you put the wiper arm down gently. There you have it. Do the same to the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.